Hey everyone, Joe here. Today I want to show you a little trick on how to breathe life into your choruses, how to lift them, give them a little bit of extra width and a little bit of extra sparkle. This is something people often overlook when they're mixing. Of course we can do things with plugins, but sometimes it takes a little bit of extra production. So let me show you what I've got so far. We've got a verse going into a chorus.
Just a brain and a job. Yeah, brain and a job.
Now you can hear where the chorus comes in because the drummer's hitting that ride a little bit more. Everything widens out slightly. We've got a little bit of extra high frequencies there. I just felt when I was mixing this one that it needed a little bit of extra texture going on in the chorus to differentiate it from the verse. So what I've done is I've added a shaker. I recorded this. I'll just play a little bit of it for you. So it's just a basic 4/4 rhythm shaker. I've cut out almost all of the lows, all of the low mids. Compressed it quite heavily because again, I just want to add a kind of texture. I don't want it to be something that's really apparent. You don't want to think, oh, there's a shaker there. It's just something in the background that gives it that lift that it needs. And then I've added some stereo widening. Now you could record one shaker and then duplicate it, pan one to the left, pan to the right, and that does widen it, but doesn't quite give you the effect that we're looking for. I've left a link in the description below to another one of my videos just showing how we can get wide guitars actually, and I'm going to use the same kind of effect on this where I just play the same thing twice, so I actually physically play the shaker track 2 times and pan one to the right and one to the left. It really widens it up when they're completely different on each side. So with that in mind, let's hear what it sounds like with that shaker coming in on the chorus this time.
Yeah, just a brain and a job. Yeah, brain and a job.
It's got that texture.
Brain and a job.
It's a little bit wider.
I'm just a brain.
It just lifts it.
Yeah, yeah. Brain and a job. Brain.
And then we can hear it calm down a little bit when it comes out of a chorus and into a verse.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, you there.
Now this especially works well when you've panned your overheads not quite hard left and hard right. So I've got mine 80 either side, so you've got somewhere to go. So there we have it, just a quick tip for you on how to lift your choruses. Is this something you do already? Leave me a comment below and let me know. Or if you'd like any more tips to give your choruses some life, let me know and I'll see what I can do. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.